Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool, amazing product that I actually ordered and have it all scheduled for it to actually get set up and everything. But let me actually show you guys what it is first. So you guys can see right here, pretty much what it is a steam absorber that you guys can use when you guys are cooking, and it's actually really useful because sometimes when you guys are cooking and there's so much steam coming out of the range or the stove or whatever you guys are using, this product will help you absorb that like crazy, and actually worked really well. And I'm gonna actually show you guys a test of it, so let me show you guys that first and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the Pacific TruSteam steamer range hood that can use for cooking and whatnot. So we had someone to come set it all up, and it actually took around like 45 minutes, which is really quick. So if you guys ever do plan to get one of these, make sure to have someone set up for you, because if you do it yourself, it takes probably longer, because this took quite some time with 45 minutes, even with someone who knew what he was doing. So here's what it looks like. Everything's all set up, looks really nice. Brand new material. There's a delay timer, there's a steam, and then there's a down and up to control how strong the fan is, and there's a light, and there's on and off switch. So let's turn it on right now and show you guys how it sounds like and how well it performs, and then how the light quality is and everything. So let's turn it on first. So right now it's on. If you guys can see, it's on 2. If it's the lowest one, this is how low it can get. If you guys can hear the sound, turn it up a little bit. Now it's on 2 now. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And the highest. Controls are really nice so far. Let's try to turn on the light to show you guys how bright it can get. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really bright, and this is actually brighter than the old one that we have. And if you click the light one more time, it kind of dims it a little bit, so that way it's not using the maximum power of the light. So this is like a medium light instead of the highest one, which is really nice. Click it one more time and it turns off. Click the on and off switch and it turns off. And the way how you clean it is you actually use steam to clean it, and you actually only use distilled water to clean it. You can't use any other water besides distilled water. And the way you guys take it out is by taking it out right here. So all the oil and nasty water will be drained and cleaned off from the interior of the product into this part right here, and you just have to dump it out and then just put it back in and use it again. So overall, this is what the product looks like. The top parts are all set up and looks really nice. This is where you'll be adding this distilled water to clean it, to use the steam to clean it. So you guys don't have to add any vinegar or anything else to actually clean it. So just to show you guys how strong the actual air vent is for this product, let's actually test it out right now. So right now it's on level 5, if you guys can see. And we'll give it a try. So this is on level 5. Level 4, level 3, and the highest one. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually works really well. So like for me, I didn't have any shelf or anything where I can actually have it all set up, so it's easier for them. So it made it a little bit harder for them. But then since we had the old one by this brand called Pacific or Buffalo, they actually had it all set up from the previous one, and that one we've been using for a really long time, and actually stopped working or didn't work as well as when you first get it, because we've been using that one for more than 10 years, and they have like a warranty where it's up to 10 years. So that's why we decided to get this newer one to upgrade it, since it's already been more than 10 years and it's time for a change. But we've been pretty much using it for almost like 2-3 weeks now, and some of the things I noticed is that if you guys don't have like a stove where it connected directly to the wall, where it's like really close to the wall, then it won't be absorbing the smoke as efficiently. Because for ours, we have like an old house, so it's like it sticks out, so then when you guys put it off to the side or anything, it's not directly absorbing straight down, so it makes it a little bit harder because the stove is sticking out a little bit. So let's say the stove is right here and the machine is up here, it's absorbing everything that's right here, but it's not absorbing right here because we use the higher range or the stronger range for the fire, so that's why this part is not really absorbing, but everything on here is absorbing really well. So that's the thing you guys have to remember and consider when you guys buy one of these products. But either way, after testing for more than 2 or 3 weeks now, I have to say that the product is actually really worth it because it does work and it works really well. And we've been using this company or brand for a really long time. If it's counting now, I think we've been using it for more than 13 years for this brand and product. But how much does this product cost? This product costs around $839 if you guys buy it online. But if you guys actually go in store to buy the product, it's actually much cheaper. And I'll put the links in the description box down below so you guys can go check it out to see if one of these are near you. If it is, then you guys should definitely buy one in the store. And if you guys want them to help you guys set it up, they actually will do that for you. And there might be some charges depending on your location. But pretty much long story short, yes, this product is worth it. I do highly recommend getting one of these if you guys want to, especially for people who cook a lot. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little update video and kind of like a feedback for this product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout day, we have